Hello, everyone. Welcome to the podcast. My name is Olivia, and I am very happy you are here with me today. This podcast is for English learners, so please relax, sit comfortably, take a slow breath. You do not need to understand every word, just listen slowly. Enjoy the moment. Today, we are talking about books. Books are amazing. They are more than paper and words. Books are friends. Books are teachers. Books are doors to new worlds. Even if you are just beginning to learn English, books can help you a lot. They can teach new words. They can improve your reading. They can help you speak with confidence. Now let's talk about why books are important. Books give knowledge. They teach history. They teach science. They teach about people, countries, and ideas. For example, if you read a history book, you can learn about famous people like Mahatma Gandhi or Albert Einstein. You can also learn about important events like the first flight of humans or the story of freedom movements in many countries. Books help the mind grow. They help us think. They help us solve problems. Without books, we miss so much. Books show things we cannot see in real life. They let us travel to new places and meet new people. Now let's talk about books and imagination. Books open our imagination. When we read, we imagine the characters. We imagine the places. We imagine the actions. For example, if you read Harry Potter, you imagine Hogwarts, magic wands, and flying broomsticks. Even without leaving your home, you feel like you are in the magical school. Books make life exciting. Now let's talk about books for beginners. If you are learning English, start with simple books. Children's books are perfect for beginners. They have short sentences. They have easy words. Books like The Very Hungry Caterpillar by Eric Carle, Charlotte's Web by E.B. White, Diary of a Wimpy Kid by Jeff Kinney. Even reading one page a day is enough. Reading slowly is better than reading quickly. You will learn naturally. Now let's talk about types of books. There are many types of books. Storybooks tell stories and adventures. History books tell about the past. Science books explain how the world works. Poetry books express feelings through words. Self-help books give advice to live better. Each type of book gives something special. Storybooks give imagination. History books give knowledge. Science books give understanding. Poetry books give emotions. And self-help books give guidance. Now let's talk about books and childhood. Books are very important for children. They help children learn words and understand life. Children love colorful books with pictures. Storybooks teach kindness, courage, and honesty. Books become friends in childhood. Even after growing up, people remember their childhood books. For example, many people remember The Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe by C.S. Lewis. It teaches courage and friendship. Now let's talk about books and family. Families can enjoy books together. Parents can read stories to children. Children listen and imagine. Grandparents can tell stories from books. Books create bonding. They bring warmth to family life. Now let's talk about books and personal growth. Books help us improve. They teach patience. They teach focus. They teach thinking clearly. Books help us understand people and the world. They teach empathy. For example, reading To Kill a Mockingbird by Harper Lee teaches us to understand others and be kind. Books are teachers for life. Now let's talk about books and relaxation. Reading books can be very relaxing. Sitting quietly with a book is peaceful. No noise, no stress, just you and the story. Reading calms the mind. It reduces stress. It makes the heart happy.
Books can take us anywhere. We can travel without leaving home. We can visit new countries. We can meet new people. We can explore new adventures. Even reading about Italy, the USA, or Japan can make us feel like we are there. Books are the easiest way to travel. Books and thinking skills. Books make the mind active. When we read, we think. We ask questions. We imagine solutions. We analyze the story. Books teach critical thinking and problem solving. Reading is exercise for the brain. Books and confidence. Books give us things to talk about. We can discuss stories with friends. We can share our ideas. We can give opinions. Books make people confident in conversation. Books and inspiration. Books inspire people. They show courage. They show success stories. They show people overcoming difficulties. Books motivate us to try new things. Books give energy for the mind. For example, reading The Diary of Anne Frank teaches hope, courage, and strength during hard times. Books and discipline. Reading books daily builds habits. Even 10 minutes a day is enough. Consistency is important. Daily reading improves focus. It improves memory. It improves patience. Books teach discipline naturally. Books and happiness. Books bring joy. The joy of a story. The joy of learning. The joy of imagination. Books make life richer and meaningful. Practical tips for beginners. 1. Start with simple books. 2. Read a few pages every day. 3. Highlight new words and learn them. 4. Summarize the story in your own words. 5. Talk about the story with a friend or family member. These habits make reading fun and effective. Mini exercises for listeners. Exercise 1. Pick one easy book. Read one page today. Exercise 2. Draw a picture of your favorite character from the book. Exercise 3. Tell a family member one sentence about the story you read. Even small steps make a big difference. Mini story. The Brave Little Bird. Once there was a little bird. The little bird was afraid of flying. One day, it saw other birds flying in the sky. The little bird wanted to try. It flapped its wings and jumped. At first, it fell, but then it tried again and again. Finally, it flew high in the sky. The little bird learned courage. Books can teach us courage like the little bird. Even small stories can teach big lessons. Pause and reflect. Take a slow breath. Breathe in, breathe out. Think about one book you love. Think about one character. Think about one lesson you learned. Feel the joy. Feel the peace. That feeling shows why books are special. Books are friends. Books are teachers. Books are doors to new worlds. Even one book a month can change your life. Even one page a day makes a difference. Read books calmly. Read books happily. Read books for life. Thank you for spending this time with me. Keep reading, keep learning, keep imagining. I will see you in the next episode.